In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Discord server without invite link. By the end, you'll know how to use Discord's join box to enter a server using a simple format, even when you don't have a direct invite from someone. First, open Discord. You can do this on the desktop app or in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so your account can join servers. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar where your servers are listed. Next, click Join a Server. This is usually found when you hit the plus icon in the server list. A small window will open with a field where you can paste or type an invite link. That field is what we'll use. Click the invite link field to place your cursor there. This is just a normal text box and it's okay if it's empty. We're going to enter the link manually. In the box, type https://discord.gg followed by the server's vanity name. For example, you could type https://discord.gapple. This method only works if the server has a public or vanity link set by the server's admins. Not every community has one, so if the link doesn't resolve, it simply means that server might require a traditional invite code. Double check your spelling and avoid extra spaces when you type it in. When Discord recognizes a valid link, you'll see the server preview. Click Accept Invite to proceed. If you change your mind, you can click No Thanks to cancel and stay where you are without joining. If the link doesn't work or you need to try a different server, click back into the invite link field and adjust what you typed. This is normal. Sometimes the vanity name is different than you expect, or you might have mistyped a character. Try again with the correct format, keeping https://discord.g/ at the start. Once you have a valid invite, confirm by selecting Join Server. Discord will add the server to your left sidebar and you'll be taken into the community. From there, you may see rules, verification steps, or welcome channels, depending on how the server is set up. A few quick tips as you finish up. Only join servers you trust and be mindful that some communities limit access or require extra verification even with a vanity link. If a link fails repeatedly, it likely means the server doesn't have a public vanity URL and you'll need an actual invite from a member or admin. That's it. You've learned how to join a Discord server by manually typing the invite URL format even when you don't have a direct link handy. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.